So, good morning everyone. So, my topic is problem 12. So, an airplane flying with a wind of 1.5 seconds to travel 500 meters and 1.6 seconds flying against the wind. So, what is the speed of the airplane still air? So, given V plane equals to 500 meters, V when wind equals to 1 seconds equals to 1.6. So solution to get the speed. So this is the formula V plane over V wind. Wind 500 over 1.5 equals to 333.33. Next is 500 over 1.6 is equal to 312.5. So to get the speed, so we need to add the answer of this. So 333.33 plus 312.5 over 645.53. So to get the V plane, we need to divide the total and this is the formula, this is the constant number, the 2. So 645.83 equals to 322.22 meter per second. So to convert into kilo per hour, so we need to first is the conversion of this 1 meter per second is 3.6 kilo per hour. So we need to multiply the 322.22 times 3.6. So this is the final answer, 1,160 kilo per hour. So the next problem is problem number 39. Find the equation of a line through point A 41 perpendicular to the line of 2x equals 3y plus 4 equals to 0. Solution. Solve for y. Negative 3y equals to negative 2x minus 4. So this is the y equals to 2/3 x plus 4/3. So this is the slope. So this is the answer for slope, 2/3. So second is find the slope of the perpendicular line. So you need to reciprocal slope so that you can get the perpendicular line. So this is m equals to negative 1 over 2/3. So this is the final answer. Negative 3.32. So next is the point slope or form of a line. So y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1. So this y1 equals y minus 1 equals to negative 3.2 times x minus 4. Y equals negative 3.2 times plus 7. 2y equals to negative 3x plus 14. So this is the final answer. 3x plus 2y equals to 14. So this is the final answer. Thank you.